And today me and my dad together are going to make a caterpillar on a branch. So make a curve and then another one at the other side. And then draw sort of a curve and then down. And do that again. Just keep repeating. Alright, let me do one more and I'll finish and I'll wait for my dad because I don't have room. Okay. Alright, now I added one more. Now, draw his legs, which are V shape. I'd rather say V shape. I'm drawing all of them at this line. My dad's going to do different. And at the end, draw a small U, like that. And then to that U, draw a line. Actually, this will be the branch. Now, draw a line, 2 lines actually. And then draw S. And then another one. And then do the pattern in the leaf. You may have know the pattern. The pattern looks like a straight line and then some lines out of that straight line. Oh no, it's a curvy line actually. We're done. Time to color. After coloring, I'll do something. Alright, it's time to color. But before we color, I know a fact about caterpillars. So first they're a caterpillar, and then after 2 weeks, they'll turn into a butterfly that flies around. Alright, now let's color. So the caterpillar will be green or brown. We'll color the full thing brown, green. And then this branch is brown or black. And this leaf is green, light green. And this one is easily the branch color, which is brown. Alright, let's start. by the leaf. I'm done. Actually, next we will color brown for branch. I'm done. Let me use my green. And what is green for? Yeah, it's for his body, the caterpillar's body. He has a long body. I mean, it's really long. I'm done coloring. You can add new colors like orange, whatever you think of, blue. But we're done. And now I need my black for his legs. I accidentally drawed some. We're done. Alright, you can make patterns, or if you like, you can add anything you think of. And I think of something. Since it's outside is the sun. Alright, this is how it looks. Alright, after my dad's finished, I'll tell you guys something. Alright, how about a story about a caterpillar? Right, the title is Caterpillar. Once upon a time, there were eggs sitting down on a leaf. And that one of them hatched. Inside the egg was a caterpillar. When he was just open, he was hungry. He wanted to eat something. On one day, he found a fruit, which was a strawberry. The next day, he found a tree with some mangoes. The next day, he found a leaf. He ate that. And then, when every day he ate, he wasn't just full. But one day, he got full. And then, he builded a house, like a circle, his house, right on the branch right there. And then he went in that house. In 2 weeks, the caterpillar was a butterfly. The end. Thank you for watching. Bye.